dive beneath the surface of the vast North Pacific Ocean. Shrink down and discover the wonderful lives of the tiny, the miniature, the microworld. Drifters, swept along by the current. These are Plankton. Living epic lives just out of sight, they're some of the most bizarre and otherworldly plants and animals on Earth. Though many of these critters are too small to see with your own eyes, they're some of the most abundant life in the oceans. And without them, the world as we know it would cease to exist. Come with us to experience the ocean like you've never seen it before in Season 1 of Microworlds, Plankton.